All right, so the internet defeated Gonzalez. So Google versus Gonzalez. Big court thing, went to the Supreme Court. It basically is this. Section 230 is a law that provides the internet hosting websites, social media, things like that, protection, legal protection against getting sued for algorithmic recommendations. So that means if it recommends something to you, it's not responsible for whatever that user uploaded. So whatever you watch, that's on you. You can't sue them saying, I got recommended a video and then I got crazy. I got recommended Mortal Kombat 11 and now I uppercutted my neighbor and his head came off and now I'm getting arrested for murder. So 2015, this family's daughter got killed in the 2015 Paris ISIS attacks. And they said Google recommended a lot of ISIS videos. And they're saying since Google itself recommended it and it wasn't recommended by a third party, then it has this like verbiage ambiguity in the text of 230. So they could sue for it. So now that the Supreme Courts for over the years have been denying and hearing it out, blah, 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 I finally made it up with the Supreme Court to hear this out, because if they were to win the Gonzalez, all the internet changes, because that means that they have to regulate content so heavily because they don't want to get sued. That the internet's doomed. I mean, they already panic over every little thing, right? They're very left-leaning to panic for offensive content. They would have to do that to an extreme to prevent getting sued. Or they would have it in a way that you would have to copy and paste URLs and you get to things directly because they couldn't directly help you get there. So the internet, as we know it, would look entirely different. It would be like an old-timey search engine. You get the link, the URL and the link, and you paste it, and you get to it directly, and you have to specifically find it on your own, because they can't help you out. Because if you type in keywords, and they recommend it to you, then they're liable for whatever happens. For whatever video, because you can sue them for whatever stupid thing you come up with. So, the internet needed this case to go a certain way. And the Supreme Court sided with the internet today. Because I was thinking about this a while ago, because I'm like, why aren't people panicking more about this? But Supreme Court sided on the case of the internet because they said, well, yada, 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 you're going to make everyone liable for every little thing, and it's just impractical. So, they kept 230 in place. Internet is saved. I can make videos now because YouTube isn't going to hell. Not in that way, at least. So, yeah, look into it. Look how close the internet just came to being completely destroyed by a single lawsuit. You need that law in place. How much they panic now, how much big tech panics now, they would be panicking tenfold if they could get sued for recommending anything. You type in stuff and they just recommend a name. Crazy. Look at this goddamn great shirt. So anyways, there's my rant. Go read into that. You came this close to losing everything internet related. Like and subscribe for more rants about pop culture, movies, and shit like this.